yourself to us.
Okay, I'm Faiyaz, I'm basically from Hungary, but I live and settled in UK. I'm from London, and yeah, that's what it means. Yeah.
Alright, so how come you ended up joining Acma Tech?
I did my research online, and even when I was back in UK, I wanted to do some chip level training because as I work already over there for a year and a half, I'm doing the same thing.
Right.
And I was looking into to people who can give me that chip level experience, even hands-on, something like that. So I've been to different classes, and I was looking at different classes. I went for demo classes. Then it was not that promising. And over here, when I came for demo classes, it seems like the classroom base, the space you have, the machines you have. As I work already back over there, I call back home over there because so over there I know what kind of machines I used to do, what kind of technical stuff. So I saw those kind of machines over here, and it was very promising. It looked very promising at the same time. It was a bit daunting as well, how I'm going to use it and stuff like that. So it felt like a challenge. So I prefer to take a challenge. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure you had some expectations when you joined Acma Tech. Were those expectations met?
Certainly it did match my expectation. It went beyond the expectation, and it was also was worth spending time and money over here.
Okay. So why not London? Why here? Why in India? Why Acma Tech?
London, not because over there the online, they are mostly like study from home courses, and also they are classroom based, but they were just 5 days ago. They're trying to teach you a cheap level, which is, being in the industry, you know that is kind of scam. That it's not possible to study or get everything in 5 days, a cheap level thing. It is way beyond cloud nine. So definitely it's not possible. So yeah, that's why Acma Tech in 45 days much better.
Okay. So here, did you feel that it was totally worth it?
Certainly, it was definitely worth it, and it was worth it due to the experience and also the people over here, the demo class, and also it was the brochure which I saw. It makes sense because looking at the brochure, you come to know what kind of people are, what thought is gone into it to make those brochures, what aspects they're going to teach you, what level of understanding they have. That's the main thing.
So, how was your class? Were the teachers good? Were your classroom environment good?
Yeah, the environment was very friendly, nice and pleasant. Compared to the heat outside, it's much nicer inside here, and it was very the teachers were very friendly. Teachers are very friendly still, and they are very open to same question and also to the new questions which we already had in last week, and now when we come back with the same questions and
patient.
It's very patient. Yeah, they are certainly very patient. The classmates are very friendly. They're playing together.
Okay. So where do you plan to take what you've learned from Acma Tech? Where do you plan to utilize it?
Of course, I'm from UK, but I'm going to take it back over there, and I'm planning to start my own thing with my friend. We're trying to do a joint venture together.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's like after working in the industry, you come to know it's more than what meets the eye. We can do much better in that, and we can just start our own thing.
Right. Great. Anything else that you would like to share about Acma Tech?
Certainly, yeah. Well, it's very, very would recommend to everybody. And even I'm thinking my friend's gonna come back to India, so even I might introduce him to Acma Tech. And also, they are very knowledgeable, value for the money, good timing, and also very friendly people. Yeah, it is definitely worth it.
Nice. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice
Thank you.